In the retreat, it is mentioned that there will also be Shaktipat transmission involved.
Correct.
What exactly is Shaktipat?
Shaktipat is better known as Anugraha or the grace of Lord Shiva. Shaktipat is available to all of us all the time. You don't require me or anybody else to give you a Shaktipat. It is not our agency to hold a Shaktipat because the Lord is providing a Shaktipat or His divine grace to us all at all the moments. But how to tune into this grace? What is to be done? How exactly to tune into this grace and remain in that grace for a long period of time to come is what happens at the retreat very beautifully. What exactly happens is the Guru gives a transmission to the sadhak or to the student or to the pupil, and then this pupil experiences without any of his or her effort, experiences the divine consciousness and energy within them directly. It clears up all the chakras and the gunk which is accumulated in them. It increases the force of energy and the flow of energy through the entire chakra system of the body. In fact, all 114 of them can get activated during a session of Shaktipat. All these thoughts that don't serve you, all these feelings that don't serve you, all these actions that don't serve you can get eliminated in Shaktipat. It's like a spark, that we light the fire up in a Homakunda or a Havankunda. We light the fire up with that Shaktipat itself as the teachers of this specific ideology or philosophy of Kashmir Shaivism. Then after that, the student continues and keeps this fire awake and alive by pouring the ladles of ghee into that fire by their own practice as well. That's how accumulatively you reach self-realization. But Shaktipat surely is the initial spark or the movement of this grace itself.